So today I'm gonna show you how to update the firmware on this head unit. This is an Android head unit from SYGAV. I know there are many versions of this head unit around, so you want to make sure that you get the firmware from your manufacturer, because they all look the same, but they are provided by different resellers, and they're slightly different. So the first step of this update is to go ahead and get you a USB flash drive, and then you're gonna download the firmware onto it. So for the firmware, I'm gonna have a link in the description, so check the link if you want the firmware. Again, this is for the SYGAV version. I know there are many versions of it, so you're gonna make sure that you get the right firmware for your head unit. So I also have the firmware already downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect the flash drive to the car from this USB port right here. Just right here. And then you're just gonna go ahead and wait a couple of seconds, and then you're gonna have a pop-up. Alright, so it automatically detected the firmware from the USB, and now you're gonna go ahead and select wipe data and format flash, and then you're gonna go ahead and click install. It's gonna reboot, and then the update is gonna start. From here, you want to just leave it. Don't try to press any buttons. Leave the car running. Don't interrupt the power. Just let it do its thing until it's done. Alright, update is done. It's now erasing. Alright, it's done erasing, and then the head unit restarted. notice that this time it's taken a lot longer to boot up. This is because of the updates. This is gonna be only one time. After that, it's gonna boot up a lot quicker. Alright, so as you can see now, it restarted. Everything is good. This is how you do the update. Thank you for watching.